Dagmar, can you believe the beautiful park-like setting at our newest listing here at 3668 Glen Road in Jordan?
Hey Mark, did you know we got Balls Falls within a kilometer?
Just over there?
Just over there. We have wineries, we have walking distance in on the 20. We have everything here in Jordan.
And we also have our house, which is 3+1 bedrooms, 2 full baths, potential for separate in-law with its own entrance and more.
Don't forget the sauna.
And the sauna. Let's go take a closer look at what this home has to offer.
Thank you for visiting us here at our newest listing at 3668 Glen Road in the town of Jordan.
If you would like to book an appointment to view this awesome home, or if you have questions about buying or selling in Jordan or the whole Niagara region, please call Dagmar at
905-988-7288 or Mark
905-512-1846.